Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11s, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So a couple of seconds ago I just set up my face recognition here, and as can you see I can unlock the device with my face. And now I'll just show you the how this unlock method is fast and how useful it is. As can you see, I'll just check my position, if I'm sitting in a good position, and now I'll make 5 tries to unlock the device. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock method works really fast. So yeah, you can see that I just can unlock the device less than in 1 second, so less than 1.5 seconds I think. So that's really good result, and it's faster, just more faster than the half of the devices. So I just suggest you to try the face recognition method here if you, for example, don't like some methods like the just PIN codes or passcodes. So you can try the face unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock and fingerprints methods, they are less secure than your passcodes or just PIN codes or patterns. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.